Welcome to Victoria, Australia. We're going to head on a road trip today. We're going to go visit Ash and see their MASSLAM plant. We're also going to catch up with Vince Hurley, see his Hundegger K2i and also the Robot Max. Let's head on a road trip now. Welcome to Ash here in Hayfield, Victoria in Australia. Let's go in here today and catch up with Vince.
MASSLAM is a fantastic product for us. We make it out of two main feedstocks and it's going into very large commercial, industrial, university and other buildings all throughout Australia. We've done over 113 projects in every capital city of Australia and the MASSLAM product is a product that is replacing concrete and steel in a lot of those applications. We have the K2i 450 we use largely for the very complicated intricate beams and that is a 1250 by 400 millimetre machine. It'll do very, very large beams. That we have the Hundegger Robot Max that's behind us and that will do a 620 by 1250 column or beam. We're predominantly using it for columns because it's more suited to columns.
We're inside the Hundegger Robot Max in Ash's facility. They've got a large overhead saw here. This is a 13 kilowatt saw. They can store some larger tools in the tool holder here. It also has a 29 kilowatt liquid cooled spindle on the robot arm. It has the ability to store 25 tools in the tool changer here. It has the ability to machine 1300 wide by 610 high. The right hand side of the machine has the ability to close in to deal with the smaller parts that are trickier.
Hundegger is critical to MASSLAM. We're building very large buildings and when you've got these large beams on a crane hook, we have to have plus or minus zero and everything has to fit perfectly. We also have some quite intricate designs, and Hundegger is able to do them. Particular cuts, particular shapes, particular drilling, mortising, tenoning, all of those sort of things are critical and Hundegger can do them all. The structure we're under here is a mock-up of our social and affordable apartment. It's made up of the primary columns, the primary beams and the secondary beams which are in a cassette. The beauty of this particular product is the feedstock we're using. So the feedstock we're using is 23-year-old eucalyptus nitens, a hardwood. What the plantations were being used for was being made into wood chips to make paper. So taking those logs and turning them into feedstock and then into MASSLAM is a huge value add. It also means that we pretty much have an unlimited fibre supply at a good price to enable us to make this MASSLAM ATC made from plantation shining gum.